All right, boys and girls, here we go. So today in math, we're gonna learn a new color and a new shape. Now, as far as the color, I'm wearing the color, so we're gonna predict to see what's today's color. And then we will come back to reciting our colors and shapes. So if you look at Miss Castro, I'm wearing the color of the day. I'm not too sure if you can see it that clearly, but who would like to predict what is today's color of the day? Let's see from Andrew. Andrew, what's today's color of the day?
Red.
Very close, but not quite. We already learned red last week. That was a good try though, Andrew. Let me see Zaylee. Can you unmute yourself, Zaylee, and tell us what you predict color?
Orange. Bright pink.
Not bright pink, but that was a good try, Zaylee. I'm glad you guys are taking all these guesses. Very, very good. Let's see. How about Dominic? Do you want to try?
Orange.
What's today's color, Dominic? You can unmute yourself, Dominic. Go ahead.
Is asking a question.
What's today's color?
Yeah. Yes.
What color do you think it is?
What color is the color of the day?
I think because it's orange. Una cosa, papi. It's I
All right, Dominic, that was a good try. I think the bright light is distracting you, but it's okay. That was a good try, Dominic.
Me.
Kaylin, do you want to give it a try and tell us what's today's color of the day?
Orange.
Orange. Good job, Kaylin. Very nice. So today's color of the day is, in fact, orange. I'm going to go back to our presentation. Let's go over all of our colors, and then we're going to review all of our shapes. Black, pink, blue, purple, brown, red, green, white, orange, yellow.
Yes.
Okay, now we're gonna do our shapes. Circle, rectangle, rhombus, hexagon,
Hex.
square,
There.
trapezoid,
Trap.
and triangle.
Try.
All right, so later on today, boys and girls, you can look at these videos for the color and shape of the day. And as we were discussing, today's color is orange. So who can share with us what are some orange objects that you see on the screen? Jaden, we haven't heard from you. Do you want to share with us one object that you see on the screen that's orange? Go ahead, Jaden. You can unmute yourself. What's one object you see on the screen that's orange?
I can do un crayon.
Say that again one more time.
I can do un crayon.
You can see an orange crayon.
Orange crayon. Thank you, Zed. Yes, that is correct. At the very tippy top, under the word orange, is the orange crayon. Perfect job, Jaden. Excellent job participating. Jace, go ahead. Tell us something else that's orange.
Say it.
Carrot.
Carrot, the vegetable. That's very healthy. Very good job, Jace. Yes, the carrot is orange. There are three other objects that are also
A pumpkin.
Dominic, say that again louder.
Pumpkin.
Very nice, Dominic. So the pumpkin, which we will be finding this month in October, if you go pumpkin picking or if you go food shopping, you will see pumpkins on display. Let's see, what are some other things that are orange? How about, Riley, we haven't heard from you. Do you want to unmute yourself and tell us something else that's orange?
Cat.
Cat, excellent job. Yes, the orange cat is there. And there is something else that is orange, the last animal. Christian, we haven't heard from you yet. Can you unmute yourself and tell us what's the last animal that's orange there on the screen? Christian, can you unmute yourself and share with us the last animal that's on the screen that's orange? Go ahead.
Yeah, I like fish.
The fish. Good job, Christian. Excellent job. So we just named some objects that are orange that you see on the screen. There are many other things that are orange too that I'm sure you can find in your home or on your walks outside. And this here on the next slide is a real live goldfish who's orange. And the sentence says, the fish is orange, okay? Now, today's shape of the day can be a little tricky because some of you might say it one way, but in kindergarten, we're gonna learn the more grown-up way to say it. Who would like to predict the shape of the day? What is it called? Let's see. Elijah, go ahead. I see your hand is up. You wanna unmute yourself? What's that shape of the day?
Rhombus.
Rhombus, excellent job, Elijah. I know some kids will tend to say it's a diamond, and yes, you are correct, boys and girls, it is a diamond. However, in kindergarten, we try to learn things in a more grown-up way. So we're gonna call that shape rhombus. Gracie Mani, I see your hand is up. Do you wanna share something with us? Tell us on the screen, what is one object that you see is the shape of a rhombus?
Blue.
What you see?
Blue rhombus.
She can't see you pointing to it. She doesn't know what you're pointing to. You gotta say it.
Blue rhombus.
The blue rhombus. Excellent job, Gracie Mani. You are correct. So the blue rhombus in the center of the slide you can see is the shape of a rhombus. What else is the shape of a rhombus? What do you see? All right, Rosaline, go ahead and unmute yourself. What else is there that you see as the shape of a rhombus?
Kite.
Kite, yes, of course. Everyone knows about the kite. Great job, Rosaline. Anything else that you might see here that you know is the shape of a rhombus, boys and girls? Noah, go ahead and unmute yourself.
Taka.
Loud.
Taka.
Say that one more time.
Go ahead.
Taka.
The card?
Yes.
Yes, good job. You're correct, Noah. This card here has the shape of a rhombus. Excellent job. Anything else anyone might want to mention? Skyla, go ahead.
I see a road sign.
The road sign. Excellent job, Skyla. So what Skyla is noticing is this yellow sign here at the very bottom to your right with the arrow pointing up. That is a sign for drivers on the road. You are correct. And I notice we are running out of time, so let me just mention the other three objects that are also in the shape of a rhombus. This net, this goalie net right here, if you play soccer, that's in the shape of a rhombus. The net is in the shape of a rhombus. This stick here, this spear, the tip is the shape of a rhombus. And then down at the very bottom to your left-hand side, you have a vest, which in the center of it has shapes of a rhombus. Okay, so today's shape of the day, remember boys and girls, is called rhombus. Everyone say it at home, say rhombus. Okay, make sure you practice that a lot today. So I'm added some songs and stories with today's color and shape of the day. Today's work is this sheet, orange sheet that we've been doing for the past 2 days. So it's the same layout. we have the shape of the day. So you look at the pictures to see which have the shape of a rhombus, and you're gonna put them in the 4 boxes. Everything else that does not have the shape of a rhombus, you put it down at the bottom. And then you can access this lesson from any device. And then boys and girls, remember to continue practicing today's color and shape of the day. Great job, boys and girls.